What's up, people? What's happening? Today is my favorite video at all. I will skip a little bit truck driving and everything and make a coffee today. My wife drink this and I drink sometimes this one or crema d'oro. So let's see what is the beautifulest. So put this here. This one is with pads. This is my weekend routine. I drink 4 or 5 coffee. It's no matter it's driving day or sitting at home or something like that. So like this one goes here. This here. It's enough. To boil this. So good. My favorite is Lavazza. My wife, she drink all the time this Jacobs, and also I like this crema d'oro. So write me in a comment what coffee do you like, espresso or something. I drink all the time only black coffee. I don't put the sugar or milk or something like that. So write me in a comment what do you like, what is the favorite of you, something like this, latte macchiato, or I don't know what else. Or this is also latte macchiato. And I think the best moment for me is drinking coffee. Best moment when I resting, when I not doing anything, is coffee time. See you in another video. Bye.